This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Karri Porter. New year, new home. The SQ footage is per Assessor's Office's 1798. This split-entry home has been beautifully updated with an open floor plan and is ready to move into. The home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 1 on each level, a huge finished rec room in the lower level and a workshop area. Large backyard with a fenced-in section and 2 sheds will remain on the property. The lower level could easily be turned into a separate living space if need be. For more information, review the details below.